fuel pump, suction valve checking. MAN B and W diesel 6S60MC-C. Objective: ensure the suction valve operates correctly. Verify seat tightness and sealing. Prevent contamination during storage. Free movement check. Use a brass mandrel. Confirm the valve slide moves freely up and down inside the suction valve.
Seat tightness test. Fill the inlet hole with diesel oil or gas oil. Wait 5 minutes. No oil should seep through the slide/housing seats. Storage precaution. If the valve is not mounted immediately, cover all openings with plastic. Prevent dirt entry during storage. Keynotes: always use brass tools. Avoid damage. Ensure a clean environment during testing. Record results for the maintenance log.